Happy Friday, everybody. Today's topic is about oxalate dumping. What is it and why you feel awful? Hey friends, it's Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor. Welcome back to Fact Friday, where we dig into the science behind a low-carb lifestyle. Today's fact, going low-carb or carnivore can trigger something called oxalate dumping. And if you don't know what's happening, it could feel like the diet is hurting you, when really your body is just cleaning house. So what are oxalates? They're tiny compounds found in many plant foods: spinach, almonds, beets, potatoes, yes, and even chocolate. In small amounts, your body can handle them, but eat a lot of high oxalate foods for years, like green smoothies or nut flours, and oxalates can build up in your tissues. Now, here's where the dumping comes in. When you suddenly cut those foods out, your body starts releasing the stored oxalates. And that's when the symptoms show up. Common oxalate dumping symptoms are joint pain that seems random, sandy, gritty urine or kidney stone flares, rashes, hives, or skin flaking, fatigue, brain fog, even mood swings, and burning feet or tingling hands. That sounds awful, right? But here's the kicker. These symptoms usually mean your body is healing. It's offloading what it no longer needs. So how do we make this easier? The number one thing is stay hydrated. Flush is the name of the game. And you also want to get adequate minerals, especially calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These bind the oxalates and help move them out. Don't quit high oxalate foods cold turkey if you've been eating them very heavily. Begin tapering. It can soften the ride. So I have one quick story for you. My one client went carnivore overnight and felt great until week 3, when joint pain and itchy rashes hit. She thought the diet was wrecking her. Once we talked, we realized she was dumping oxalates. We added electrolytes, increased her calcium intake, and gave it time. 2 weeks later, she texted me, "The rash was gone. I feel incredible." So here's your Fact Friday takeaway. Oxalate dumping is real. It can feel rough, but it's not a sign of failure. It's actually a sign your body is cleaning house. So if you want more science-backed strategies to get through these transitions, my ebook, Keto Made Simple, has you covered. Tomorrow is the last day that you'll get $10 off. So grab it at the link below. Hit like if you've ever had a mystery symptom after cutting carbs. Share it with a friend who's going low carb, and tell me in the comments, have you ever experienced oxalate dumping?